Okay, so our adjustment here is going to be for angle adjustable back canes. So when you choose angle adjustable back canes on a Move or an A6, you're going to have 20 degrees of adjustability in 5-degree increments. So you can go from 90 degrees to 95 to 100 to 105 to 110 maximum of open hip angle. How we do that is we need a 4mm Allen key, and you're going to take out the bolt on one side of the frame where the set angles are at already, and then on the inside there's going to be a nut that we just loosen off. So first and foremost, we'll take our 4mm Allen key and we're going to just take this bolt completely out. And you take the bolt completely out on the side of the angle adjustable back cane where you can see the set angles. So they're pre-drilled angles, 5-degree increments. Take that bolt completely out. Okay. And then on the inside here, there's a track. And if I spin the chair a little bit and just rotate around here, you're going to see on the inside there that there's a little bit of a track.
I'm sorry, I'm not coming all the way.
All I'm doing is I'm just loosening off that bolt there. So it's your 4mm again. And you just loosen it off enough so that the bolt can slide along that track. And you can see that now I actually have my angle adjustment there. Okay. If I don't loosen that, it's going to stay fixed in the position and you're just going to fight the angle adjustable back cane the entire time. So just make sure that you loosen it 1 or 2 full turns and it'll give you enough maneuverability to change the angle there. Then, going back to the outside bolt, I'm going to choose my angle. So you can see we got down here in the bottom position, that's going to be 90, 95, 100, 105, and 110. So if I open that all the way up there, you see the angle changes to 110. I'd put my bolt in there, if that's where I want it set. Make sure it threads through. And you're just going to double check there. Actually, we're going to change that. Do one back just to make it a little easier on me. There we go. So thread it through as much as you can with your fingers. And then eventually you're going to have to use your wrench, going clockwise in there. And you'll tighten that up. And then once you've tightened that up, you go back to the inside track and you tighten that bolt up as well, so clockwise in there. And that'll just prevent any wobbling from happening. The key when you're done this side is to make sure that this angle matches this angle, which is exactly why they're set angles. So you can count, I've got 1 bolt hole, 2 bolt holes, I'm in the 3rd bolt hole on this side, which is exactly in the middle. And then I would want to count my bolt holes on this side as well to make sure that the angles match on both sides.
Opposite. Yeah, I don't know. It is opposite.